Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
6 hotel front office English dialogues. Here, we will share real-life hotel front office English conversations that will help you to understand how a front office personnel handles guests in different situations. Please closely observe the conversation. Hotel front office dialogue, asking for a rent-a-car service. Guest: Good morning, I am from room 308. My name is Johnson. Can you please help me? Receptionist: Sure sir. Please let me know how may I Guest: A friend of mine supposes to pick me up for a dinner, at about 7 o'clock. Now I have a very urgent meeting in the National Conference Center, in half an hour. Neither I can contact my friend, nor do I have any transport. Could you arrange for me a rent-a-car, that will take me to the center and also bring me back? Receptionist: That's not a problem. We can ask for the rent-a-car right now. It's about 3:30 p.m. So would you like to reserve the car until 7 p.m.? Guest: Might be 6:30 p.m., but anyway 7 p.m. will be fine. How much it?
Please pause the video and click on this subscriber button.
Receptionist: The hourly rate is US $12. So $40 will be fine for 3.5 hours. Guest: That's great. Could you please ask one of the cars to be ready in 10 minutes? Receptionist: Sure, Mr. Johnson. I will call. Guest: By the way, in case I am a little bit late, though I don't expect that, ask my friend Mr. Novel to wait in the lobby, or if he wishes you can take him to the cafe for a drink. Tell him that I will be definite. Receptionist: Don't worry, sir. We will take care of your friend and inform about your whereabouts. Guest: Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Receptionist: No mention, please. Hotel front office conversation. Guest: Good morning. I am Robert Wiliams from room 709. I wonder if you could tell me when the banks are open today? Receptionist: I am afraid, Mr. Robert, they are closed today. Guest: That's nuisance. I am a little short of cash. I have my credit cards and some traveler's check. Could you help me? Receptionist: Sure sir. Traveler's check can be cashed here. The cashier will help you. And your credit cards will be accepted in most. Guest: Fine. I will cash some checks now. Later, I will check where I can use the credit cards. Thanks. Receptionist. Hotel front office dialogue. Guest: It's weekend tomorrow. I wonder if I could have a look around the city, or possibly going out for boating, or cruising. Receptionist: It will be wonderful. The hotel arranges several sightseeing tours for the guests. Also you could go for boating, river cruising, even Guest: Sounds great. What do you suggest if I like to take both? Receptionist: As from this evening, you will be free. You can start for cruising in one of the calm and quiet canals, spend the whole night in boatel and have sightseeing through boat the whole day tomorrow. The following day you could avail the city sightseeing Guest: That will be fine. Since this is my first visit, I will be happy to be with someone who knows the places very well. Receptionist: Okay, sir. Tours are open with the guide or without. Many tourists like to have an adventure to explore of their own. The guide is available with. Guest: Does the boatel have any food arrangements? Receptionist: There is a small kitchenette in boatel, but you could stop somewhere in restaurants while passing your way. You will have varieties of foods available. Guest: Great. Could you book one for me from this evening? What will total? Receptionist: The boatel rent is $50 and guide charges $25. And, as you enjoy our hotel facilities, you don't need to pay for hotel rent tonight. Guest: Oh my God. Why haven't you told this before? I believe that will be. Receptionist: Just sign here in the form, and you will be on your way in half an hour. Enjoy the trip. Guest: Thanks. See you then. Bye. Hotel front office conversation. Receive. Guest: Good afternoon. Receptionist: Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you? Guest: I would like to meet Miss Martin. I believe she is staying in this hotel. Receptionist: Let me check. What's her last name? Guest: Isabel. Receptionist: Yes. She stays here. For security reason, we can't reveal her phone number, but you can make a phone call to her from here. Guest: Thanks. The visitor calls but doesn't receive any response. So he comes back to reception. I am afraid she isn't in room. Receptionist: Certainly, sir. Write the message and we will make sure she will get it when she returns. Guest: Thanks. Goodbye. Ms. Martina Isabella returns, and checks is there any message for her. Guest: Hello, I am Martina Isabella from room 1801. Receptionist: Oh yes, madam. Mr. Thomas arrived few hours back and left this message for you. Guest: Thank you very much. Is there anything else? Receptionist: Not really, ma'am. Guest: All right. Good night. Receptionist: Good night, Ms. Isabel. Hotel front office dialogue. Guest: Reception? Receptionist: Yes, reception. How can I help you, sir? Guest: I am Luther from 108. I have certain valuable things that I want to keep with you in the reception, for safety purpose. Receptionist: Yes, Mr. Luther, we have safety deposit boxes for our guests. You can safely keep your valuables there. Guest: Good. Would you please send someone right now, so that we both can come down with all the things? Receptionist: Sure, sir. I'm sending. Hotel front office conversation. Guest: Good morning. To whom can I talk to regarding some sort of meeting arrangements? Receptionist: Good morning. Well, sir, may we know what type of meeting you are planning for? Guest: Not a big one. A group of the 25th of May for a day-long meeting with work. Receptionist: Well, for a meeting of 25 with lunch and dinner, you better talk to our catering manager Ovoy Kumar. His office is right there on the left corner. For large parties and programs, we refer to our event manager Jacob Martin. Guest: What types of large meetings do you? Receptionist: We arrange for all sorts of business parties, workshops, seminars, social gatherings like engagements, wedding, birthday parties, everything. Guest: How many persons you can accommodate at a time? Receptionist: In our large ballroom, we can accommodate 1,000 persons with seating arrangements. In poolside party house, we can accommodate around 550 at a time, and we have 3 meeting rooms of 10,060. Guest: Thanks for the information. Can I meet Mr. Ovoy Kumar now, for my next program? Receptionist: Yes, indeed. He would love to talk. Guest: Thank you very much. I am coming to lobby to meet him. Receptionist: Always at your service, sir. He will be waiting for you in the lobby. Guest: Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.